Now, if you've been driving anywhere near Wisbech recently, the chances are that you will have seen a massive new building under construction. It towers over some old apple orchards and can be seen for miles around.
It's the biggest cold store in Britain. It's costing nearly £50 million and belongs to a company from Holland. When it opens, it will give local food producers access to customers all over the country.
Out of the fens, something big is taking shape. A cathedral of steel on the outskirts of Wisbech. Passers-by wonder what on earth it is.
Well, the truth is, it's not a new football stadium or anything like that. It's a giant fridge, Britain's biggest cold store for frozen chips, peas and other food produced in the fens.
It's an investment of nearly £50 million, which will equip the local food industry with the latest technology. Up to 80,000 pallets will be stored here at any one time, before being dispatched anywhere in the country.
The purpose of this building is to receive pallets from our customers. We will bring them into the warehouse, which is very big, and -28, very cold. And then we will send it wherever they may need it in the country.
At 35 metres high, it's not much smaller than Ely Cathedral, a structure of 5,000 tonnes of steel.
The building is fully automated, so we have 5 cranes running up and down the main warehouse, and then we have a sophisticated conveyor system to take the products in and out of the dispatch area. Again, all of which is fully automated, fully integrated and computerised.
This new ship of the fens becomes operational in the new year. Richard Bond, BBC Look East.
John, I'm glad we did that. I was so worried about what it was the other day when I drove by.
You wanted to know, didn't you?